My name is Isaac, and I'm aspiring to be a professional player one day. And it's not what people talk about players. Like here, long ago, our parents used to press us not to play football due to some circumstances like injuries and other things. But football is not all about that. What I just learned about football is that when we reach to the level of professionality, when you gain popularity in football, you can reach the gospel to the youth easily through football, because it's one of the activities that gathers people together. So it's another way to reach the gospel to the youth. And most players these days, football is no longer an activity that is only for exercise or for fun. These days, people are earning living because of football. So I know that there is a talent inside me in the side of football. So that's why I picked an interest since I was very young to become a player one day. And that is. Yeah, it has been a wonderful one, because it has really awakened me, because all this while I have not been playing, I have not been training, because I sustained an injury. But today's training by Affirmative has really awakened that spirit in me. It has given me the zeal more to love it more, and I'm not gonna quit it. Yeah.